Yes, community fundraisers can be excellent marketing, but only if you treat them as relationship building rather than a quick sales pitch, since the trust and goodwill you earn often brings in more business than any advertisement could. Think of a community fundraiser like planting a garden instead of buying a bag of vegetables at the store. When you sponsor a school event or help raise money for a local sports team, you are not paying for an instant sale. You are planting seeds of trust that grow over time. People remember who showed up for their community, and they tend to hire or recommend businesses that feel like neighbors instead of strangers. Something many folks do not realize is that local news outlets and small-town newsletters often cover these events for free, which means your business name gets shared without spending a single extra dollar on advertising. Another hidden benefit is that employees who volunteer at these events often feel prouder of where they work, which can lower turnover and boost morale. To make it actionable, pick one cause that truly matches your values. Show up in person and make sure your team wears branded shirts or hats so people naturally connect faces to your business. One common mistake is treating the fundraiser like a billboard, plastering logos everywhere and pushing sales talk, which usually turns people off. So instead, focus on genuine participation and let your generosity speak for itself. Another misconception is thinking one event will bring instant results, when really, it can take several fundraisers over many months, even a year or two, before people start recognizing your name and trusting your brand. A lesser-known issue is failing to collect contact information in a friendly way, like a simple raffle sign-up sheet, which means you lose the chance to follow up with new potential customers after the event ends. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.